Yeah, that bat boy follow me. Where the hell are you? Holy smoke! Follow me through here. Inside my garage. No way! Go in here. Look, he's right behind me. Right there. Alright, I'm going through this door. See if he goes through this door here. Come on, birdie, birdie. Wait to the door. Holy smoke. Alright, let's go back in that door in my barn. Come on, man. Let's go. Alright, back to my barn. He's right behind me at the door. Let's see. Missing all my motorcycle. Go through that door. Come on, birdie, birdie. Gotta put his rock. How close that is. Come on. Oh, wow, that was close. Go through this door here. You think I can crawl through that tent? I'm going through this tent here. Oh, he got lower. Let's see, come on. I'm going through the tent. No way. Oh, went through the tent. That is awesome.